you're doing well out there today. Thank you for joining me here by the fireside. Doing a little fireside chat with you here. Wanted to give a thank you out to Manjula for sending out the Amla Leha, and I really do appreciate it. And also Shravya Agree for communicating with me to get the video out. The Amla Recipe, Amla Leha Recipe, I'm going to be posting that in today's video. I asked you all to engage with me on some natural medicine, some alternative options for people to try to help out with certain medical stuff. Maybe you've got an issue you're dealing with. Well, Amla Leha might be the way to go. It's a nice way to sweeten the deal instead of eating amla by itself, which is probably pretty bitter and sour. So they sweeten the deal with a little bit of jaggery. So it's an interesting mix. If you're interested to learn how to make it, watch this video. We're going to go through it today, and I appreciate you joining me. Check it out, Amla Leha. Thank you for checking that out. I really do appreciate it. If you got some interesting recipes or maybe a video you'd like to send out, you want to see here on the channel, I'd appreciate it. Also, thank you, Ian Gabermala, for sending out those herbs. They're awesome. I got to try out that Osha root. Very cool. I'm going to look into trying some new herbs and seeing what's all available out there. I love the herbology. I love the natural medicine. And it's very, very cool. So thank you. Take care. Have a great day. And we'll talk to you again in another video. See you soon.